Is your content at risk? Google's algorithm could penalize AI-generated content, and the last thing you want is to lose rankings or trust with your audience. But don't worry, there's a solution to protect your originality and ensure your content stays ahead of the curve. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel, where I promise practical advice to build your brand. Today, I'm introducing you to Originality.AI, today's sponsor, and the world's leading tool for detecting AI-generated and plagiarized content with 99% accuracy. This is a platform that I've actually used and paid for and loved, so I'm excited to partner with them. Whether you're a content marketer, agency, or writer, this tool makes it super easy to ensure your content is unique, polished, and ready for Google. Here's why it's worth checking out. The first reason, to protect your SEO. Google is getting smarter at identifying AI-generated content, and publishing anything flagged as low quality could hurt your ranking. In fact, Google has come right out and said this, but don't worry, Originality.AI helps you catch these issues before they become a problem. Second reason, avoid unintentional plagiarism. Yikes! Tools like ChatGPT can pull phrases or ideas from existing work without citing them, leaving you at risk of publishing plagiarized content without you even realizing it. Originality.AI lets you verify everything so that you can hit publish with confidence. Finally, save time and hassle. Whether it's detecting AI, checking for plagiarism, improving readability, or catching grammar issues, Originality.AI combines everything you need in one platform. No more juggling tools or second-guessing your work. It's all here. So now jumping into the platform itself, we'll start from the dashboard. The interface is clean, intuitive, and ready to handle everything from individual content checks to large-scale team projects. Here you can manage scans, monitor results, and ensure every piece of content meets the highest standards of originality and accuracy. The first feature you'll notice is Detect AI Content. This tool scans for AI-generated text with 99% accuracy, identifying content created by models like ChatGPT, GPT-4, Claude, and many others, even if it's been paraphrased. That's amazing. It's a lifesaver for anyone working in content creation, especially in maintaining trust and avoiding penalties from platforms like Google. Next, let's talk about flexibility. Originality offers a pay-as-you-go option, which is what I'll use here in a moment. This is perfect if you don't need a full subscription or you want to use credits as needed. This is a great way to try the platform out while staying budget-friendly. And if you're new to this platform, there's no need to worry. You can find detailed video tutorials right here, which walk you through the features step by step. It's a great resource to make sure you're getting the most of the platform. With 99% accuracy, Originality.AI is the most precise AI content detector on the market. It identifies content generated by popular models like ChatGPT, GPT-4, Claude, and even more, even catching paraphrased AI text. I'm going to show you an example. Plagiarism is a deal breaker, and Originality excels here too. So you saw me do the scan a moment ago to detect for AI, and yes, I did in fact use AI to write this blog post, 100% of it guilty as charged. However, I did not plagiarize it, but it's getting picked up as plagiarized because it recognizes the blog post from my website. So I actually love that. But remember, when you're writing things with AI, there is a risk of plagiarism unintentionally. So when you're writing things with ChatGPT, make sure you use a tool like this to check. It goes beyond surface level checks, identifying even paraphrased plagiarism. It's incredible how this tool compares the content against billions of web pages to ensure true originality. I should note in this case, I copied and pasted the text from my blog, but if you are a pro user with a subscription, you can easily import it with a URL. Tired of publishing content only to realize it contains errors? The fact-checking aid systematically reduces the chance of factual mistakes or AI hallucinations. Here's how that works. For this example, let's start a new scan and select Fact Check. Later, I'll show you readability and grammar. I'm pasting an excerpt that I know contains hallucinations. Here is the title and the body. There are at least 3 factual errors in this text, so let's see if Originality.AI can identify them. While we wait, a quick note, a hallucination is when false information is presented as fact, which is a growing risk in today's content landscape. Okay, here are the results. The text is confirmed as AI written, which we know, not plagiarized, that's good, but the fact check aid flagged several inaccuracies. For example, Isaac Newton did not conceptualize quantum computers or propose Newton's quantum law. Quantum computing is a 20th century concept. Albert Einstein did not build a quantum computer in 1947 or develop laser technologies, and quantum computers weren't responsible for inventing the transistor or the internet. Both came from classical computing. As you can see, the fact checker accurately identified these errors. This feature is especially useful for agencies handling high-stakes topics where factual accuracy is critical. Originality.AI's readability checker provides actionable insights to optimize for Google's preferred readability scores. This ensures your content isn't just accurate, but also SEO friendly. It's got a grammar checker, which I've come to love and rely on. I'm going to show you both right now. So for our last example today, I'll select a new scam, but we're going to do something different, not plagiarism, not AI, but we are going to use readability and grammar checks for a transcript of a presentation that I delivered. So I quickly cleaned this up, making sure that it falls within the word count limit, which is 3,000 max for the readability. Literally word for word what I said in the transcript. After delivering it, I thought this would actually probably make a great blog post, so having some help, making sure it's readable for Google and for users, as well as better grammar, let's see how it can help me. Fantastic. So right away, 99% correct with spelling and grammar. I'm quite pleased with myself. I remember really making sure that I delivered this well. But readability at 60, there's definitely some room for improvement there. I like that it shows you here the main tests that it uses to determine this score. So once again, here the green is a sign of something good, the yellow is almost like a yield or a caution, and the red is probably what I want to focus on. I love Originality for this because I can literally just hover over the part, and it tells me exactly what I should do. Consider shortening it. This sentence is hard to read. Same here. And so by color coding it this way, you can imagine starting at the top, you can just whip through here pretty efficiently, making really important updates that are going to help you not only with spelling and grammar, but readability and therefore visibility on platforms like Google. Now for some bonus features that I know you're going to love, like a stellar Chrome extension, team management, and even an API integration. Need quick checks while you work? The Originality.AI Chrome extension lets you scan for AI content, plagiarism, readability, and grammar directly in your browser. You have to be subscribed to the platform to be able to use this, but it's a seamless way to enhance your workflow. Plus some really cool features for Google Docs, like watch a writer write, so replay edits to prove authenticity, originality reports, so comprehensive scores for the things we talked about, and author contributions, tracking writing sessions and revision history. It is safe to say that AI is everywhere, so maintaining content integrity as a result is a non-negotiable. Whether you're a web publisher, agency, or writer, Originality.AI equips you with the tools to detect, verify, and optimize your content at every step. So if you're ready to take control, click the link in the description below to try it today. I recommend you do. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use Originality.AI. I'm really curious. And if you have any questions, I'll be answering those personally. If you found this video helpful, let us know. Comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more content, tips, and tools. Thank you, Originality.AI, for sponsoring this video. I'm Pallen, and we will see you in the next video, which I know you're going to love.